Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you with yummy recipe again. It's about oxtail soup. So let's go to cook with me. Galangal, potato, culantro, lemongrass stalk, carrot, Kaffir, papaya, chicken powder, salt, sugar, soybean oil, knorr, garlic, oxtail. After finish cutting oxtail, now move back to grill lemongrass stalk, Kaffir leaf, and galangal. For all this, I already cleaned it. So I start to cook. Boil oxtail around 2 to 3 hours. Now it is so enough for eating, so I take it up and then go back to make a soup. Add soybean oil, add chopped garlic, add papaya, carrot and potato. Add salt, chicken powder, sugar, knorr, water. The soup today is already, so I'm going to take it up. So how the taste is selected with me. I can say oxtail and vegetable is so enough for eating, and it is so yummy. The recipe today is finished, and I hope you would like and enjoy the recipe today because it's so yummy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next recipe. Bye bye.